Yeah. Alright, so I put one seat in and a chain on it and ran it around the neighborhood. Pretty cool. It makes some chain. I can hear the chain and the differential with the plastic guards on and the pickup bed that goes in the back of it. Unlikely we would hear that. But anyway, I'm going to go ahead and put an idler gear on the chain on the bottom, torque side, and pretty quick. I got another one of these 3/8 plates. I'm going to pull all this off, mount the plate right here, and put these two breakers on that plate. I've also got a 48 volt to 12 volt charger to charge the onboard 12 volt battery. It's used for so much, used for everything on this Gator. But so far so good. The only issue I've had, one of the batteries, the BMS, isn't working on it properly, and I fiddled with that this morning. It looks like every time I discharge it and then recharge it, it seems to be doing better. So maybe a few more cycles will get it in the mood to work. But anyway, that's it, I guess. So up here, let me show you this one more time. Key start turns on. That speedometer works because it's working off of a magnet in the differential. And I put my motor controller or monitor over here, and it shows, it's got also miles per hour, but it's not accurate. I think it's because I haven't tuned anything yet. This is just right out of the box from HPEVS. But anyway, easy to do. I bet you there's a ton of these things around with bad engines in them, because unfortunately that's kind of how they were designed. So got any questions, shoot me a line.